How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables here. Then you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. So today I'll be using our optional SIG plug, and again that will plug in via connector here. So I'll go ahead and get my cigarette lighter plug hooked up, and then I'll hook it up to power here. Now on your SIG plug, you have your on-off switch with your LED indicator here showing your light bar is on. And then you have your flash pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for about 2 seconds, you'll see your light bar will go to steady burn, and it will steady burn in the secondary color of your light bar. And then if you hold the pattern button down for about 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring a red-blue unit with me today, and you'll notice the colors flash between color A and color B. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor configurations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I have our amber clear in our dual color configuration, and here I have our red blue amber in our tricolor configuration. But again, we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. And we even have our customize a light bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice my light bars are on different flash patterns here, but all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And you have the ability to run your units in your primary colors or your secondary colors individually, or your unit in multicolor using the built-in patterns. So let's go over those. So built into the flash patterns, you'll have 4 patterns with your primary colors. So for example, on my red, blue, amber, my primary colors are red, blue, and on my amber clear, my primary color is amber. So again, you'll have 4 flash patterns with your primary colors. And then after these 4 patterns, you'll have 4 patterns with your secondary colors. So for example, on my red, blue, amber, my secondary color is amber, and on my amber clear, my secondary color is clear. And again, you'll have 4 flash patterns with your secondary color. So once you get past those patterns, you'll get back to your multicolor flash patterns. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice on the bottom of your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here, which you can adjust along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then if you need to permanently mount your light bar, we do offer our permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack bracket, which you'll mount using the existing hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers the features of our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.